Our next spot on our Asian burger crawl is in the Lower East Side on Canal Street. Holy cow, and they are serving halal burgers.
You know what's really interesting is they're serving American burgers and American flavors halal. The owners are from Pakistan and Iran, but there's no Middle Eastern or South Asian flavors really influenced on the menu, although there is a peri-peri.
Holy cow, halal burgers.
Let's check it out.
All right, David, we got some American classics except halal. Beef bacon on the holy burger. We got halal chopped cheese.
You do also have a peri-peri hot dog. So I feel like the peri-peri might be a little bit of the influence from maybe Pakistan or the Iranian side.
It looks a lot like real bacon.
And you know what? I can tell you, I already know that beef is gonna be high quality because it is halal.
Halal cheeseburger.
The holy cow at Holy Cow.
You see this hand-rolled bun right here? Ah, the cushion. Nice.
I was thinking, and hear me out.
Okay.
Why
I have
aren't
no choice.
smelling salts more like we should have it at the studio here? I watch these football players, and they're gonna take a big kick, and they pull out a smelling salt and give it a whiff, and they're like, "Let's go! I'm ready." We should start our show with smelling salts.
I feel like just in the office, like a week ago, I was talking about smelling salts. I've never been exposed to a smelling salt. I have no idea what happens, other than I've seen an NFL player's face after they take a whiff of that stuff.
And that's much different than bath salts, right?
I hope so.
Yeah, you turn into a zombie and you do bad things with bath salts.
Okay, just making sure. But no, you're right. They're not common enough in other industries, Jason. Very good point.
Brooks, Jeremy, please get on this. I would
see
like some
school teachers use them a lot. They right before the class.
A big business meeting. I mean, what are we doing wrong? Jason, you're on to something.
All right, let's get hyped.
This is because Mike said moments before we started the show, I could go for a nap right now.
Oh, man.
It's 8:40 in the morning.
Yeah.
Perfect nap time.
The sun formed 4.6 billion years ago, and we have a pretty good idea how this happened. It all begins in a molecular cloud, a gigantic cloud of gas made of atoms and molecules that is just floating around in space. At one point, when this cloud gets disturbed, it collapses under its own gravity and breaks up in many smaller, denser pieces, called cores. In the dense cores, gravity attracts the mass towards the center, and because of the initial rotation of the cloud, this process is via a disk, the accretion disk. And some of the mass that is sucked in via the accretion disk is flung away in a powerful stream of gas, the outflow. After enough mass has been attracted to the center, it is warm enough for nuclear fusion to occur and the star is born. Because the star is so bright, part of the surrounding cloud is blown away, and the remaining material may eventually form a planetary system, perhaps similar to the one we're living in.